Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to change your battery in a 2007 Mitsubishi Colt. This key here, it doesn't matter if it's a 2007 or 6 or whatever, as long as you've got the same key, guys, you can learn to change the battery in this remote. So let's look at the key. Around the key, nothing too crazy. Look around. As you can see, there's a little slot just in here inside the key. Okay, what I like to do, you can use something else to pop it out or pry it out, that's fine. I just like to go and use my nails. I like to hold the key here, grab my nail here and just pop it out like that. Okay, now you have your chip and your battery currently exposed. This battery is a little bit more tricky. I recommend using something to pry the battery out, preferably not a key, but we're going to use this for demonstration purposes. So over here, I just pop this in like that, and it can be a bit of a pain to pop out because I'm using a wrong thing to pop it out. But let's just get that in. Just like that. Okay. Battery is now out. Okay, so that is how you get the battery out. Use something sharper and pointier. I recommend that. But here is the battery, guys. This is a CR 2016 Energizer. It's a 3-volt battery, guys. And it has a 2B on the front. I don't know what that means, but this is the battery. It's quite thin, quite small. Okay, so it says here, positive faces down, guys. Positive faces down. Okay, so get your battery, make sure it's positive side, face that down like that, pop that in, just like that. Okay, now your battery is in. Okay, grab your remote, make sure it's the same. Okay, turn this around like so. Check around your edges first because it has a rubber seal and you don't want to damage that, guys. Okay, when you know that that is in, just pop that in like that. Okay, and that is how you change the battery on a 2007 Mitsubishi Colt. But as I said, it will apply to any model that has the same battery as you. So yeah, I know it works. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, peace out.